Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about if the Google Drive is not working in Galaxy S24 Plus, how you can easily fix it. So if you're facing the Google Drive related issue, like any issue, I will tell you all in this video. Just watch complete video, follow all the steps and don't forget to subscribe.